What's up, DD family? It's your girl Dontasia, and today we are back with another video. And as you can tell by the title, today we're gonna be repairing our steps because our steps is just falling apart. So I'm about to show y'all what our steps is looking like so y'all can see what I mean. Today's Friday. We were supposed to do this yesterday. We bought all the stuff that we needed. Well, we actually bought the wrong stuff, but Davon had went back to the store to get the right stuff. So now we about to get it done. Hopefully it don't rain. Yesterday it didn't even, well, it did rain, but we had enough time to get it done. But I'm about to show y'all what our steps look like right now so y'all can see.
You see how with a hole like this? We have, I think.
Okay, y'all, so look, let me show y'all the steps. Here go the steps. And then it's cracking on the side right there. And you can see the pieces just falling right there. And I don't know if the people who put the foundation down just did a horrible job or what, but it's just falling apart. And then we discovered this little hole on the back there. We discovered that hole. And we be having a lot of lizards coming in and out, so that's another reason we're trying to close it up. And it just looks tacky. And then this is the other side of the steps. Like, it looked like I can just separate the whole set from that. Then let me show y'all one more thing. This little hole right here. And this is just like this part. And y'all can see this line right here. It looks like it's just cracking apart. And this was, hold on, Ray. This was painted, so we probably have to paint over this. I don't know. Ray, why are you taking rocks out?
It fell out.
Leave it alone.
Yeah.
But Damon's about to mix up the cement and the water, and we're about to try to get this done before it rains. And if it do rain, we're just going to put a tarp or something on top so it can dry. So yeah, y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Oh yeah, let me show y'all our grass. Well, we got some stuff in the grass because the kids are out here playing, but I'll be cutting our grass as an exercise, and I did a good job. Let me show y'all.
What do we eat today?
You see them lines right there?
Don't worry about that.
Taking the leaf blower, and he's blowing out the debris and the extra rocks that we got down here, so it can work like on a clean, what you want to call it, like a clean surface. So we're just getting all the little extra rocks that's out of there with the leaf blower. Ray, what happened to your knees? I put lotion on them. Y'all look at her knees. I put lotion on her legs.
You okay, Ray?
Yes.
I asked her what happened to her knees, because I put lotion on them. When she got the shower.
Let me help you.
And then we got our bucket right here.
Let me help you.
And then we got our...
say nothing about your knees. Now look at her knees. Now she got lotion on them. Let's see your knees.
Water's gonna make it... No,
Let's see your
y'all
knees.
gotta see mine.
Show the feet.
What's wrong with them? No. Let's see your knees.
I mean, they're a little ashy.
Right here, let me see the bucket.
Let me try to pick this up.
Hold on, I'm trying to show them. Okay, and we got our little, what's this thing called? Like a spatula? That's what like lays it flat. I can't pick it up when I'm recording. But yeah, we got this little spatula thing, and that's what's gonna make it like smooth.
No.
Then we got our cement over there.
This is actually concrete.
Well, concrete. Hold on, so are you supposed to, like, is this gonna get on your hands? Is it gonna...
No, you can wash off. As long as it don't dry. I think it'll be alright.
Well, you might just need to keep rinsing with the water hose.
That stuff is heavy.
Concrete hands.
So let's see how we're gonna do this.
I think you're supposed to wear gloves. See, he got gloves on the picture. You like that?
What's this go to? That's the bag mitten thing.
They was playing that earlier. Well, it's getting chilly. I told you she gonna get cold with that on. Right back up, cause that stuff's blowing.
So you tell DD family that we tried to do this yesterday? So DD family, we tried to do this yesterday. When I got off from work, I went to Lowe's, you know what I'm saying, tried to buy the stuff. Then I ended up buying drywall. I started mixing it up. I was like, this ain't right. Yeah, this looks like the real deal. I'm gonna have to turn the water up for me, please. I ain't turned it all the way on. Look at it.
What? Oh, hair coming out.
Yeah. Hey, get off on me.
He have concrete stuck to his hands. Yeah, I told him to put gloves on.
Turn it the other way. Yeah.
Mm.
When I was watching the video, they said get it thick like peanut butter. Thick like taste. Ray, you turned it the wrong way.
Hey, hold on, I'll be back, y'all. Oh.
Come on, Ray, let's mix this stuff up. Pour it dry on us. Okie dokie.
That was nasty.
It looks like lots of dirt.
That's all it really is, really.
Stop playing with that water.
What blood is that?
I think that's good. You think so?
You might need a little bit more because you see has some at the bottom still.
Yeah.
Oh, see.
If I'm gonna add too much water.
Yeah. Well, that's probably good now.
I can see the wax kind of. Wait, I'm going to here.
No, stop, Big Ray. No, don't spray it. Get out the grass. You just
Hey,
have
Ray.
to shower.
Let me see it. Hey, you wanna help me? You wanna spray it and have it one time?
Yeah.
Come help Daddy spray it. Let's do it like one quick time. It's like psh. Push it down in there. Yeah. Girl. Do it one time. Okay, good.
Ew.
Don't cut them your nails.
They kind of start.
See on the white tip nails. Y'all don't laugh at us if we do this kind of wrong.
No, this is gonna be right. Did I blow this out?
Yeah. We should repaint this.
Well, what color should we do it?
Probably like navy blue to match the other stuff.
Boy.
I know, that's why I said it's coming off right there too. I don't know what they even did.
That could too.
Like, how do you start? Like, you just slap it in there?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, and it just hardens up. Okay.
Yeah.
I could do that.
Bye-bye, lizards.
Yeah, they great be stuck in there. So you just use the spatula to like flatten it.
Yeah, pretty much, yeah.
Ew.
And it already like goes with the porch.
Yeah.
It already got the rocks in it.
Yeah, it just look like that right now because it's wet.
Yeah.
Ew.
So y'all know that means I can't be playing up here. Like when he's doing that, it's like just breaking.
I can see it coming out the other side, like I'm filling it up. Let me get some more. Let's see that.
Is he feeling himself? Jaden.
Ew.
Spray. I remember one time it sprayed me in the face.
Yep, they want us to do a navy blue. I mean, like blue, like the things.
You said what?
We should do the thing blue, like the door and the, yeah, with that part that some of your legs. That part.
I like this.
We're talking about the shutters.
Yeah. So it's an automatic. That'd be cute. Our house will stand out.
But they're gonna be hating on us, yeah. I don't know how I'm gonna put this
We'll make
on the
stars
side.
or like this one.
No, just, well, yeah, on the side of the steps. Like how they did the purple right there.
Daddy.
And right there. So put everywhere it's purple, just paint it. Oh, that's probably what they try to do. I mean, when we moved to the door, it was this color purple. It was like lavender.
Oh, yeah.
So they made it. Yeah, that's what we should do. Then we changed it to blue, so we should make them match.
Yeah, it's still on the other side of the door.
Well, look at my skin, y'all. It's looking like
Yeah, she.
No, it looks nice.
Oh, yes. No, I don't. That is better than yours.
No, sorry, Ashy. Let's see, look at mine.
Dang, girl, you splashing.
See, yeah, stop.
That's good. It's falling up the side.
Rolling out the side.
You know what it needs like a piece of wood right here.
Dang, like so we can like. I was wondering how we're gonna keep it like.
I can get one out of the music like yours.
Oh, what if we use those things that's on the. Well, yeah, we probably need some wood.
She be having a whole bunch of sticks.
But we can't just take our stuff.
I know.
Let that down, Desiree.
I like baby black.
Yeah, we need something that can stand to keep it like sort of form just flat.
I can go get a stick out her backyard.
No, we need something thicker than a stick.
I think that'll be straight now.
What if we use those things that's on his basketball rim? What's those things called?
Like a little piece of the tabletop.
Yeah. Well, we got that one white one. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, if you can pick it up.
That's like extra heavy.
Well, never mind. Let's just stay where it's at.
Probably needs more, don't it? Like,
No, why are you spraying the ball, Desiree? Here, cut this camera off. So now, y'all, we in the backyard. Jaden's going out the stuff right here in this step. There's another crack right here. And then we got this one crack right here. From all the way across to the grass.
look what De Niro did.
Yeah, the narrow keep on
I don't even know where that little piece
picking
went.
and slug. It was a piece right
I
here
saw it before, but I didn't see it.
that he kept digging out. And then the same thing with the steps back here. The part that was painted is starting to peel apart, and it got the line right there again. That part. They ain't got nowhere to go now. So hopefully now they
I wonder
can
how you
trim
snuck out. I done threw this right here from the.
Shut
Yeah,
it.
shut the
Yeah,
front door.
shut it. Shut
There's a lizard
it.
right
Shut
there.
it.
It's behind the mailbox.
Okay, y'all, so I'm about to just give y'all a quick run through of what he just did. This is what it's looking like so far. We don't really care what it looks like because it's our steps. We have to live here. We just wanted to close up that hole. But no, it's not the best. This is his first time doing this, but he closed up everything. You know, the problem is the lizards is going to be trying to find somewhere else to go. Hopefully not our house. But this is the front. And I'm about to show y'all the back. Okay. And y'all, this is the back. Then he filled in this little piece right here. And then there was a crack down here too on the side. And yeah, we're probably gonna paint all of this along with the front.
You are not scared of De Niro.